As we do chapter 8.6, common logarithms, you're going to be really excited because you're going to get to use your calculator a lot. And this is probably, to me, the easiest out of all the logarithms to deal with. First off, I'm just going to double check and make sure that we all know how to use our calculator. It says, use a calculator to evaluate each expression to the nearest 10 thousandths. 10 thousandths is the fourth number past the decimal. Okay, so this first one says log of 5. So you're going to get your calculator and you're going to find the log button. Log is right here, so I'm going to push log of 5. Okay, and I'm going to push enter. Sorry for the glare. All right, and we're going to count tenths, hundredths, thousandths, 10 thousandths. So the 10 thousandths place is always the fourth number past the decimal. Okay, so because this 7 is going to round the 9 up to 10, that's going to make the 8 round up as well. Okay, so we're going to put approximately, because that shows that you round, 0.6990. Okay, because we rounded that 9 to a 0. So let me rewrite that because that's kind of ugly. All right, 90. All right, my first mistake of the day. Okay, next. Okay, so log, the next one, of 0.3 equals, and it's going to be, hold on, let me make sure that's right. Log of 0.3, and yep, negative 0.5229. All right, and then the last one, log of 7. Punch that in, and we're going to get 0.8451. Okay, so there's our answers. All right, now the next part. These come the easy equations. They look hard, but I promise you they're not hard at all. Okay, so it says solve 4 to the x equals 19. Round to the nearest 10 thousandths. Now, up until this point, we've had problems that have looked like this, okay? Where if we have the same base, our bases can drop, and we would know that x would equal 3, okay? Well, we can't change 4 or 19 to have the same base. So this is where common logarithms are going to come in place, okay? Now, to go back, if you look at each one of my logs, they don't have a base. Okay, so up until this point, we might have had like log base of 3. Well, what's known as common logs is log base of 10. Because we use log base of 10 so much that it's understood to be there. So that's why they simply just put a log. Just like whenever we put x, it's understood that there's a 1 in front of it because we use it so much that we never put 1x, okay? So because we use the log base of 10 so much, it's just understood when I don't see a base there that the base is 10, okay? So just to let you know that. All right, so that's what we're going to use, okay? So the first thing I noticed right off the bat is that I can't change those to have the same base. So that means that I'm going to take the log of both sides, okay? And what I mean by that is I have log of 4 of x equals log of 19, okay? Remember, we've already learned this year that we can do whatever we want to an equation as long as we do it to what? The other side. So because I'm taking log of this side, the left side, I have to take log of the right side. Now, we learned earlier this week that when we have a power, what do we get to do? We get to bring it to the front. So my next step is going to be x log of 4 equals log of 19. Now, my whole goal here is to get x by itself. So what do I need to do? I need to move log of 4. How do I move log of 4? Well, I'm going to divide it because it's attached and multiplying with the x. So I divide log of 4, log of 4. So x, I'm going to come up here, x equals log of 19 divided by log of 4. Now this is where your calculator is going to come into play, but I need you to pay attention as to how I write it, okay? I have log of base 19 divided by log of base 4. Okay, make sure I put that around there. And I get 2.124 because the 6 rounds to 9 up. So I get approximately 2.124. There's my answer. And I do this every single time, okay? So for the next example, 3 to the x equals 11. I notice they don't have anything in common, so I can't change them to have the same base. So what do I need to do? I need to take the log of both sides. So I have log of 3 to the x equals log to the 11. Now I'm going to take x and I'm going to put it in front because it's a power. So I have x log of 3 equals log of 11. Now I got to divide. So I have log of 3, log of 3. So what's 11? Log of 11, sorry. Log of 11.
Hey, Mom.
Shh, I'm videoing. Thank you. So I have log of 11 divided by log of 3. And I get 2.1827. And that's my answer, okay? Same things apply. Now we're gonna keep these for another day, okay? So sorry for my interruption of my children, but I hope you're having a great day and enjoying your time. Just know that I love you. I miss my 5th period. I miss my crazy 6th period and my fun 7th period, 5th period as well. I love you all. And can't wait to see you again. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.